If you don't already have your Google Ads scheduling set up here to have your ads run at specific times of day, this can be an extremely beneficial change or optimization that you can make to your campaigns so that you get the most bang for your buck, right? First things first, I've selected a campaign. Usually just go over here to campaigns, and then in the campaigns drop down, you can actually select a campaign. Then you can open up the audience, keywords, and content dropdown and go to add schedule. Once you're here, it's going to open up an ad schedule. It'll look something like this in most cases. Right now, you can see we're only running ads Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and it's completely shut off on Sunday. If we click this ad schedule edit tool here, we could also just remove Saturday. And if we wanted, we could just run the ads. This is actually going to be the recommendation I would give to most brick and mortar businesses, and actually just most businesses in general, to just run your ads Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. That's typically when you're going to have sales reps available to answer the phone. It's actually also going to be when most calls come through, most leads come through, most sales anyways. That could be a little bit different if you're an e-commerce brand, because it doesn't really matter unless people need to call and talk to somebody on the phone before they purchase. But if you're an e-commerce brand and people can purchase 24/7, 365, then I would just run it nonstop, right? When you do start running your ads, right now, because we just changed the ad schedule and I had changed it previous, every time you change it, it's going to reset all the metrics to 0. So we have 0 clicks, 0 impressions, 0 data. But over time, this data down here will populate, and you'll even be able to start to see, like, okay, on Mondays we're getting really low cost per acquisition and really good quality leads. Maybe we want to make a bid adjustment, which is really just telling Google Ads, hey, I'm willing to spend a little bit more money on clicks on this day because I tend to get really good results on this day. So I could throw in maybe like a 20% increase on the bid adjustment, which means instead of spending $10 on a click, I'm willing to spend $12 on a click, right? Go ahead and save that. Just going to add a little yellow icon or a little yellow line at the top here so that it's clear that there's a bid adjustment on that segment here. The other thing that we like to do too is split this into like 4-hour chunks. So you could do from like 9 to noon, noon to 9, 10, 11, 12. Well, that's only 3 hours. Noon to 3, 3 to 6, something like that, right? So you could break this up into 3-hour chunks, and then that way, during separate parts of the day, you can add bid adjustments. So maybe it's like Monday mornings ultimately that are driving the best results. Then you can add a positive increased bid adjustment to that segment, and maybe a decreased bid adjustment to the end of Monday when things are a little bit slower, right? But either way, I just recommend getting a schedule set up. Eventually, sometimes it's good to just run it wide open and kind of see what you're getting. And then you can tighten things up as you go. That's often a beneficial strategy. Again, that's great pretty much across the board if people can just buy from you anytime, or if you have call answering service that can answer the phone anytime. I mean, there's a lot of different ways you can work around this, but ultimately making sure you know when your ads are running and making sure that they're running at a time that's going to deliver you the best results is the kind of the key here. So anyways, I hope you found this helpful. If there's anything you did have questions about, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
Look, if you're the type of person that just doesn't even want to deal with Google Ads anymore, then you can always reach out to me. My company is Missoula SEO Geek. I'll leave a link to my website down below, but we do manage Google Ads for different companies in different industries, and you can come learn about what we do, what makes us unique. You can even read some of the testimonials from some businesses that we've taken from 0 to over $1 million in revenue, like this one here. And really just see that, this is the type of thing that's going to explode your business growth. So feel free to reach out. You can always give us a call or contact us through our website, and look forward to working with you.